Welcome back. Dee was picking on me yesterday for my hoe sharpening, and I had another file, and the file the kids kind of beat it up and left it out, and it wasn't working very well. So it was like a little bit of Hollywood magic. Look at me, I could do this all day long. I'm just sharpening this thing forever, but it's not actually sharpening. So I actually went out and got another file yesterday, and I'm going to put an edge on this one. So Winky here was just telling me that this tree is a tamarind, and of course we're clearing the ground around this tree to plant, and it must have been a while since I've done this, because he had to remind me. The tamarind are well known for sucking up all the nutrients underneath them. Yeah, exactly. This tree has actually been pruned up a bit when these guys came and knocked some of the trees down. So it doesn't actually shade most of this area. So I'm thinking we just, I like this tree, and I don't want to get too close to it. So we're gonna give it a few feet from the trunk. I might stick a yam on there and see if it grows. But I think I'm gonna kind of leave a little, maybe just leave this a little path to the next set of beds, and then work from maybe here and kind of just carry it over there. What do you think? Think I'll do it? Use all this debris here, let it rot down and be mulch underneath the tamarind, and then we'll break the ground up. Just throw this onto the path. I don't want to lose all this good stuff for the soil. Tamarind tree might as well eat it. We have another little helper today. What's his name?
Caspian.
That's Caspian. Caspian the bunny, who is over here enjoying clearing a little bit of ground for us. Good job, keep chewing. There you go. It's a lucky rabbit. Now here we go. Cleared this area up. There's a lot of roots in the ground, so we cut them out, and we took a lot of the really prickly stuff and vines and piled them up there to burn. Then I'll rake those ashes around when we're done. We also found that there's some pretty big rocks in here. So this area here, probably start digging up beds and planting tomorrow. And then the kids stuck some logs along the edge there. So that edge right along the tamarind tree that's in the middle is walkway from the rest of the garden area. So people don't walk through this area, which is going to be the bed, and we're just going to work around that big boulder. Thanks for joining us. I'll catch you all next time. I'm gonna go get out of the sun. It really makes a lot of sense in hot climates to get out in the morning, get some work done before the sun gets rough. Anytime from like 10 to 3 o'clock, I don't really want to be outside. 4 to 6 is fantastic, and up till about 9 in the morning is nice. But now it's getting a little too hot. Plus I lit a fire, so that kind of doubles down on it. I will catch you all soon, and stay tuned because we're going to be doing this every weekday. Tomorrow we'll have some more to show off. We're still in kind of the preliminary stuff right now, but it's going to get better. So stay tuned, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green. psych myself up before I go over to the garden lot, have a cup of coffee, some breakfast, and then pound out a few chords on the axe. Try to sing myself an encouraging song. You're going to put in a giant bed. Yeah, you're gonna reap a massive harvest.